Hey guys, it's Steez. Welcome to another browsing edition of a Mukbang with me. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Southeast Texas area, or Nederland, Texas in general, or specifically, this pizza is from Pizza Inn. And it is fantastic. It's better than Domino's. I have my ranch right here. And before we start talking or anything, let's take a big ranch covered bite. Oh my god. And like it just got delivered here. It's so fresh. And the thin crust is so crispy. You hear that? Look at the cheese and the grease. Oh my god. Okay. How are you guys, by the way? My ASMR videos are doing really well lately, and actually all my videos are. I'm really happy. My channel is doing well, and I do a lot of different things, everything from makeup to ASMR to mukbangs, to conspiracy theories, to MEs, and whatever the hell I want, because it's my channel. But do you guys like that I incorporate you know, so many different things into my channel, and I'm not just a one-trick pony? Because I love that. I'm wearing my The Joker shirt. I don't know if you can tell. God, it's fucking good. Oh, we got this new tobacco vape pen. It tastes so good. The vape pen and the pizza. Sweet tea moment. Oh my god. I'll hit some tobacco out of my Rick and Morty pipe. Now that was some harsh tobacco. Let's finish these two pieces off. I got the two biggest pieces out of the box. I got 3 mediums or whatever, 1 pepperoni and 2 cheese. My mukbangs lately have been so fast because I do the right thing. I wait until I'm starving, so like I can like actually like eat really fast and like have an appetite on camera. And I also don't have to talk as much. I got this much fat. This is not crunchy, this isn't. Love it. What's your favorite pizza place? Pizza place. Franchise, a local pizzeria, whatever. I'm just curious. Comment down below, let me know. Because Pizza Inn is my favorite. They really put the pizza in your mouth. That was the lamest joke I've ever told in my entire life. If you can even call it a joke. Such a big fucking bite. Oh my god. Okay. She did it. She ate all that fucking pizza. Another huge bite. One moment, please. I'm so satisfied. I'm so full. Love it. That was absolutely wonderful. Did you guys enjoy my mukbangs? Did you guys enjoy my ASMR videos? Do you guys enjoy my conspiracy theory videos? Do you guys enjoy my ME videos? Do you guys enjoy my makeup tutorial videos? I don't know. I hope that you do. But if you do, comment down below and let me know which kind of videos of mine are your favorites. Until then, until next time, you guys. Bye bye.